I am so excited to have gotten this cookie box. It's a beginning crochet kit for adults and teens. Thank you so much to the company for sending me this. I am really excited because my daughter has been wanting to try crochet, and this cookie box is the perfect opportunity for her. It comes in a lot of different styles, so you can pick one that resonates with you. I picked Leo the leopard because my daughter loves cats. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First off, there's some care instructions. It looks like there's the main color of yarn, the more light color, and the dark color. It also comes with the crochet hook. Here is the stuffing down in the bottom. Here is the needle. They also give you eyes, and they give you an extra one too. And all of these things come in this cute little bag that say cookie crumbs on them. So I would definitely consider one of these for a Christmas gift, or if you want to get started in crochet yourself and you just want an easy kit, then I would definitely recommend this cookie box.